Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking Nutritional Rapoko, 1 cup. The maize meal one, it's a lot easier than Nutritional, the Rapoko Pap. So you really need to mix it properly. Usually I would prefer to mix it before I even put it on the oven fire to just make sure it's well mixed. Okay, I think it is. So I can top up water and continue stirring and then bring it to boil. Pap mixture is still pap mixture. It's not yet the pap of Rapoko. It's has started boiling, so I'm covering it up for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I've got my green vegetables which I got from my sister today, which I am going to prepare. Guys, can you see? I got this from Sister Karina. It was great news to hear that they are getting these indoor from a friend. I think they've got a backyard where they can grow, or they've got a piece of land. I don't know. But it's very good, and here it is. Today I am going to enjoy my Rapoko with this mustard leaves, green mustard leaves. Okay, so I will prepare them. I've already washed them. Now I am about to cut them up and get them ready for serving with my pap. Okay guys, it's ready for us to add more powder for preparing our pap. So I'm adding more powder so that I get the right consistency for it. Okay guys, so I'll have to mix it up properly and make sure there are no lumps. I don't like it too thin, so I'll add a bit of more powder. Meal. If we say mealy, it's now going to maize meal. I don't know how exactly to say it. I think it's just Rapoko powder, guys. Comment in the comment section what you call it, because the moment we want to say mealy meal, I think we are now going to the mealies, the maize meal, which is for the white salsa from maize, from corn. But this one is the small grains, Yo Rapoko. Just need to make sure you mix it properly so that there are no lumps. Can you see how it's coming up, guys? I think it's the right thickness. Let me add a bit. When I was very young, this was like a special meal. Even nowadays, it's like when you prepare Nutritional Rapoko Pap, sorghum, millet, it's like a special dish. Especially like let's say, even if you get visitors, you can also serve it as a special dish also, like on the side. Like normally you find like those who are grown-ups, they prefer this to the white salsa. Also for health reasons, this is more nutritious as compared to the white salsa. The white pap, the maize meal, white pap. So you find like in a household, if you have got elderly people, they usually go for these ones. But we have known that during Corona, even the young ones who didn't like this, they also were seeing the benefits of it and were actually preferring it. Who doesn't want to live? Everyone does. So you see, that's when they actually appreciated the benefits of this. And most of them are actually making an effort to eat it as well. So yeah, okay, I was talking about my grandmother. May her dear soul rest in peace. From my mother's side, I grew up with my grandmother. From my mother's side, my mom's mom. And so, like for this one, you know, like when you are cooking Rapoko Pap Sazaregio, it always goes hand in hand with a chicken. Those road runners, you know, those ones which run around the yard, and the free rangers, which can enjoy anything. They just pop into anything as they eat. And that one, guys, it will be a special dish. It will be a special dish. I didn't like it initially, but I later on realized that having that one with the road runner, the free ranger one, chicken, ooh, it's delicious, guys. Okay, I think that is ready. I will normally let it simmer for some time. I'll transfer it to a low heat, and then I'll prepare my vegetables. Hello guys, so we have got our green mustard leaves. I've cut them into big chunks because you know they wither easily, because they are, much of them, I think they are full of water. So the moment you put them, and they sort of reduce in size when you cook them. And here I have got my 1 onion, red onion, and 2 cut tomatoes, and 3 cloves of garlic, and my Spanish extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Okay, so I am ready to cook. Hello guys, I'm now preparing the vegetables, and here is the 2 tablespoons of Spanish extra virgin olive oil. I will add on my onions, and I will salt it until it's translucent. Then I add on my garlic. Add on the tomatoes. And we let the tomatoes to cook a bit. See, our tomatoes are a bit cooked. We can add on a half teaspoon of salt. Now I will add on the mustard seed leaves. If they are too much, I'll leave some, not a problem. I'll see how it goes. But usually we like a lot of vegetables, so it's not a problem for us to have a lot. Looks like they are too much. cover it up a bit. Let's check it out, guys. They've gone down. With mustard leaves, you don't want to turn them too much. There you go. Let me take my gloves, guys. Yes. Yeah, because it's different from the other pot which I cooked, the Rapoko Pap. This one, you see, guys, what I was talking about. They were like a lot, but now see, they've gone down because they are also full of water. You see, they're also full of water. I don't want to mix them a lot. People say mustard leaves, if you mix them a lot, they become spicy. So I'll let it be. And I'm sure they are also ready to serve. They don't take a lot of time to cook. I will actually now serve my meal. Ready to eat, guys. Here I have served the dish for me, my dinner, Wholesome Rapoko Pap, like half cup size, and tunga. We call it tunga in Zimbabwe. Green mustard leaves. There you go, guys. It's looking yummy, right? Don't mind the liquid. You saw what happened during cooking. The pot was full of these green leaves, and then they just, like at the bottom of the pot, they went down. I guess they contain a lot of water, and hence a bit came out. I didn't add any water. If you checked the way I was cooking, if you didn't skip that stage, you can see that. So the vegetables, they contain a lot of water and looks yummy, guys. Come, let's enjoy. Come and eat with me, guys. Come, let's enjoy our dinner. Okay, guys, let me enjoy my dinner. Wherever you are, maybe it's your breakfast time, your lunch time, or dinner time. Enjoy, guys, whatever you are having. Okay, those who are on a healthy journey, who are also eating health meals, please kindly share the kind of foods which you are having so that I can try them out as well. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys, for walking with me on this journey of health living, trying the best to stick to the diet, taking a record of what I am eating on a daily basis. At times I fail to record, but at times I record. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.